What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
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 Hermione!
Severus
Hermione!
Dumbledore!
Hermione!
Severus
Hermione!
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Dumbledore! Hermione!
Harry
Potter.
I'm Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.